Mfethu coach Tso ngicela ungitshele mfethu igame yaFan ibona kanjani.
Igame yaFan to be honest, iBhakania line shape. Badlala kahle, they play as a team. Mara into engidisturbayo aba-convert ama-chances. And then mina bengiworried ngitshela amajita ngiblomile ngithi ilento icheaper izothola ichance eli-1 elilawo zizokoha. I was worried because icheaper they were not attacking, bebedlala ngecounter. Bebamile bapaka ibhasi lapha basitshelile ukuthi no bayovala bona. So iPirates finally convert ama-chances. That's what into ngikhala ngayo. Amfethu uMasterChef khohlwa i-combination yakhe nomfukeng mfethu khohlwa udlalisa umfukeng uyavuka uyathika.
Ngicela ukubuza coach ne. I-Orlando Pirates in the first half they actually struggled ukubreaka leya low block. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi what was the problem?
No problem angithi bebadlala low block labantu. Manje mina bengiwarithi ngabo talent. Siyazi ukuthi utalent u-capable of what. Mani ngakhona ukubangena lapho kuba penetrator. Why don't you shoot from outside? Because nabantu aba-capable. They are not doing that.
I also saw Orlando Pirates in those D-lines. Ngathi bebawaphethe amabhola but they were struggling to
They
shoot.
were struggling to penetrate because bezimakile zipaka ibhasi leza. And manje abantu banjalo akhona nokubangena. Bangakhona bangena shooter from outside because nabo talent they can do that abomremi couldn't that. And umremi nami ngibe disappointed kancane because khona lapho umremi uyamazi ukuthi capable ukuthi fanele shoot akashoot ufuna ukwenzani ufuna ukuphasa lapha fanele pass ufuna ukushoota. And futhi mangabheka futhi ngibe worried futhi ngama substitution. I don't want to lie. Ngibe disappointed abona ukhipha uMasterChef mawuceda ukhipha noLento awufaki yabona le game uMasindi mina angifuna ukukhuluma manga for me he didn't do it for me. He's a good player but bengifana ngathi umkhiphile bengibona ngathi mfethu ngifuna umuntu ofana noTito lapha mfethu ayibe ngimfuna uTito enhliziyo wami but into engithanda uShenko mangena uShenko uyayichinja igame yawa police khohlwa istar khona manje istar and futhi ngine problem if i-defense yethu mabona umobheka lapha i-central defense usibisi noSiyema esizoba nenkinga khona manje
Akula combination.
ama mistake man bana ama mistake bayi-2 out yami yabona and makuvaya iyabonakala nokuthi umbokazi akekho. It shouldn't be that way. Manje ngiyakhuluma mina ngithi but if singathola uSiyema uSesani abuye or uNda kukhona umuntu ozoba solid abamba ibhola bheka ama mistake esiwenzayo amfethu abekho convincing but wapolice squad awuthi amkhohlwa style out.
Ngicela ungitshele mfethu in the most parts of the first half we saw uMuremi adlala ka right. Mawubhekile iyamsutha la position.
Ngibona ngamsweet out yami. Hayi ngibona ngamsweet mfethu mina ngiyamthanda makangigijimela kakhulu ku left ngathi ya because ngibone bathi baswitcha nomfukeng was all over the place asumfukeng ongimthandayo but bekathika makaphethe uMasterChef mfethu uyathika lentwana but uMuremi mfethu ngibona ukuthi abamhlalisa iposition right out yami. But I'm telling you sizothola okuningi lapho and then umbokazi mfethu I wish him all the best. I wish him all the best lentwana iya deserve amayivayo sebenza but uyabona mfethu kule season abafana baphuma ku development immediately sebayapromote bayahamba baya overseas. It says a lot about the development team. Yeah, South African football level standard is phezulu kakhulu but iPirates mfethu it will be unstoppable. But mangabheka manje neSundowns selenga nama points sine game salele move. iBhakania mfethu my convert ama chances mfethu kore. I'm telling you.
In closing, we saw iKhehla mfethu being introduced after a very long time esingamboni umbone kanjani?
Ngibona mabafaka umakhehleni mithi coach wenzani manje ngathi ufuna ukuba defensive but ngathi no nyamaza ngithi capable of what coach ngeka introduce umakhehleni angazi umakhehleni ufuna nje game time. But I'm telling you, it's a wonderful defensive midfield. We are coming right. iBhakania mfana ngiphume Free State mina. I always come all the way constant. Yeah, ngizobukela iBhakania ngiyatshela nentwana zami ze-academy ukuthi iBhakania mfethu liyaroka.
Okay, ngicela ukukunikeza just a few seconds ungitshele about i-academy yakho yase Free State. What is it about?
I-academy yami ngiqalile Khotman because ngibe worried ukuthi man ama social ills brami. Eyidakamizwa utshwala abantwana bethu abanamaholi bemondlele Khotman kusidlalile ibhola ngiyabona ngatshela ifo wami ngathi no I'm going to start this thing. Ina under 8 da, under 10, under 13, under 15. We have more than 100 players there. Start Free State. It's called Free State Talent Coaching. We are doing well. We won tournaments. I'm hosting another tournament. Nge 12, nge 13, nge 14 December. Because exam ukususa lentwana away from the streets. It's happening to see these kids ukuthi babe ne hope mfethu bajabulile. We are so happy. Manje bengihost enye tournament eKuro Thatchfield. My goal is value manje ngoOctober. Lentwana zami ziwinile lesi. Ngayenza yezikolo ngale ngiwinile manje ngenza ama team. So I'm trying to make sure ukuthi at the end of the day imali noma ingekho but masizame ukuthi ingane zethu siziprotect Khotman man istrata siraf kakhulu. Yeah, so mina ngiyabonga isupport engithola ku Free State, ngiyathola isupport engithola kubazali, intwana ze Free State Talent Coaching and watch the space we are coming.
Ngicela ukukubuza ne intwana encane yase Free State ezokubona ukukhuluma about this Free State Academy.
Yes.
Ijoyina kanjani team?
I-team kusimple because sikhona kuma-social media platforms. It's Free State Talent Coaching. Facebook, TikTok, we are all over the place. Mabafuna ukuza, uthele Mloyi, Coach Tso, bangiphelela 073 273 1744. Free State Talent Coaching. Mawungena nje ku-Google soyibona we are all over the place. Qale January, but we have more than 100 and something players. But intwana siyakhuthala nazo mangizitshela ukuthi ihope ikhona because manje ngizonzela ama game manje nabo Chiefs nabo Sundowns off season sizodlala intwana sibe exposed. So I'm happy to see these boys and girls baba ne hope empilweni yabo. Bakipakania khohlwa.
Coach wami. PSL Pulse Bafethu. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Danko.